Today we're demonstrating how to apply our clear acrylic foam tape. It's a double-sided acrylic foam tape. Today I'm using the clear one, but we do this tape also in grey, black and white. So the clear one is available in various thicknesses from 0.5 up to 3mm. So Karen's just showing you the chart here that shows you what tapes we have available in which thicknesses and which colours. All of these tapes are available in any width required, from anything from 3mm up to around 800mm, which is a whole log. So we do all our own slitting in-house, so you can just tell us what size you require and we can slit it for you. So today we're using the clear one. It's 1mm thick, and we are bonding together two pieces of plain aluminium. I just want to show you how to apply it properly with the correct surface preparation. Surface preparation is key, because if you don't clean the surface, although it may look clean, there could be dust, fingerprints, oils on the surface that will make it hard for the tape to stick to. In essence, you're sticking to the dust rather than sticking to the actual metal. So we just want to make sure that they're clean. So we're going to use Multi-Prep QT923, which is an isopropanol alcohol cleaner. It's just alcohol and water. We're just going to take a clean rag and just work all those surface contaminants up to the surface and onto the rag. So we'll just do a small surface to begin with, just to work that up to the surface. As you can see, it is quite dirty, even though it does appear clean. So I'm going to take another piece and do the other side. Then once we've done the small circles, I'm just going to clean again, just where I'm going to apply the tape. And this time we're just going to wipe in one direction, which will just ensure that all those surface contaminants have left the metal. So I'm going to apply the tape over this side, so I'm just going to wipe down in one direction. As you can see, there is still quite a bit of dirt there, so it's quite surprising what you get. As you will see, and hopefully you can see, it will flash off quite quickly, and that's the alcohol in the solution, so it will flash off quite quickly, leaving the surface clean and dry, ready for the tape. So typically in an application like this on bare metal, that's all you'd need to do, just clean the surface and apply the tape. But just for demonstration purposes, I am going to show you how you would apply the tape if you were bonding to a low surface energy substrate like powder coat. So powder coat is difficult to bond to, but we have an accelerator which does aid the performance of the tape, and it just helps it to bond. You get a stronger bond. So it's SX100 accelerator, it's a primer and a seal. So I'm just going to take another rag. With the accelerator, you don't need to apply as much as you did with the cleaner, so we're just going to apply it in one direction, just wipe down where we're going to apply the tape on both sides. And then you should be able to see the difference there where the primer is. That takes slightly longer to flash off than it does with the cleaner. But it should leave just a slightly tacky surface for the tape to bond to. So while that's flashing off, I'm just going to show you how clear our clear acrylic tape is. So here's a small piece that I cut off to show you. So you should be able to see that, how clear that is and how sticky it is. I've also got two pieces of clear acrylic perspex, which I bonded a while ago now. but I don't know if you can see the bond line. So the tape is just sitting here, bonding two pieces of Perspex together. And just for demonstration purposes, just wanted to show you just how clear that is. Okay, so this should be almost ready now for me to apply the tape. So I'm just going to get the tape ready. I'm just going to apply it on the first surface. When you apply this tape, you do need to be pretty accurate with where you put it, because you don't really get a second chance with it. It is very sticky, especially when you're using the accelerator. So just lightly apply it until you're happy with where you have it. Once you're happy, and that's where you want it, use a seam roller. So this is just a rubber seam roller, just to get good surface pressure, even surface pressure over that tape. Just roll it with as much pressure as you can, just to get good even pressure across the tape. This is important because even though you think you're applying the tape to a flat surface, there's still lots of microscopic peaks and troughs in that surface that you can't see, which, using the seam roller, you're rolling it into those peaks and troughs and ensuring that it does flow really well into the surface to get the best bond you possibly can. So I'm just going to take the liner off the tape. This bit's easier said than done. Some people would use a Stanley knife at this point, but I don't have one to hand. Bear with me. Okay, got it. So just peel the edge of the liner off. And then just apply that onto the other side, which we prepared. Then you want to use your seam roller again. So just roll across the seam line. And there you have two pieces of aluminium bonded together. You do get about 20% strength initially, so you can pick it up, move it around to the next bench, your workstation, etc., onto the next application. But as it's an acrylic tape, it does cure over time, so you will find over 24 to 48 hours it will get stronger and stronger. But as you can see, we've already got quite good strength there. That's not coming apart. But that will just get stronger and stronger over time. So there you have it. So you've got the clear acrylic foam tape bonded aluminium to aluminium. Please call us if you'd like any further information. Thank you for watching.